Hi guys, good evening. This is Claire from Claire's Culinary Adventures. I have this fish here. It's about 16 inches and it's a good size one. I was going to cut it up, but I said let me just put it in the oven. So I'm going to bake it in the foil in the pan. And over here are some of the things that I'm putting in it. I have some callaloo. Of course, it's the tin one, which I had the real thing from the ground, but it's winter. My callaloo have long gone. So I have some seasoning. You can use any seasoning you have. I have adobo. Over there I have some pepper that I had made in the summer and dried them. So, and seasoning in here, butter and some a lemon. So I'm gonna stuff it and I'll be back. I'll set up the oven already. So I'm gonna stuff it with all of this stuff, and then I'll be back to show you when it's stuffed. So before I put the fish in, what I did was I greased the pan and I also greased the foil, because the fish will stick on it if you don't put some grease on it. If you ever use foil, and cover things, sometimes it gets stuck on it. So anyway, I filled this with all the onion, garlic, and scallion, and the and the callaloo. So some of them falling out, but it's fine. So now what I'm gonna do is wrap it over on that side, and wrap it over from this side. Then I'm gonna fold the sides up. I'm gonna fold them up so that it keeps the juice in while it's baking. I think most of you know how to do this, especially Jamaicans do this a lot. Sometimes we do it outside on a grill. Well, it's winter and I have no grill inside. So my grill is the oven. And try and get rid of any extra stuff because it's gonna burn. So get rid of any. I'm gonna wipe that off and just fold it over so that it keeps in all the moisture and the juice, and it's gonna cook in its own juice in there. So it's a quick easy dish if you ever have like a good sized fish. Sometimes I use turbot because they're so tough. Did one the other day and it was flavorful. Generally you can leave this for a little while and let it seep in the juice, let the seasoning get into it. Also, something I forgot to mention, that I did slice the fish in a couple places on both sides. So, the seasoning can get into it, and it also will cook quicker. Because, anyway, I'm going to fix that back, and I'll show you what happens when I take it out the oven. Man, it even smells good, the seasoning and everything in it. I'm going to have that with some vegetable. And you can have something like this, and it's a healthy dish, and a quick dish in the oven. And it's ready. I set the oven at 395. It might be a little too high. If I think it's too high, I'm going to come in and turn it down. But it needs a little bit more than 350. Anyway, it's in there, and I'm going to let it bake until it's ready. Now, I am not sure how long it will take. It should take the better part of an hour, but maybe not quite an hour. I'll let you know. So I'm taking a quick little peek inside my foil, the fish that's steaming in here. And I need the scallion to wilt a little, sorry, the onion to wilt a little more. But it's steaming, it looks like it's almost ready. I had to turn it down from 395 to 350 because I felt it was, too much. So anyway, when I take it out, I'll show you. Here's my fish. Here's my fish already steamed, and it's ready to be eaten. Man, it smells good with all that seasoning and pepper and stuff. Man, it smells so good. I'm gonna pinch a little piece out of it before I eat. My mouth is watering. Is yours? When I cut these little parts here, I do the little slices on both sides. I stick some butter in there, put a little seasoning, and I stick some butter inside of it. Now, this is not a recipe. It's just as I show you. you're gonna season up your fish just and stuff it with some seasoning and some callaloo. And you don't have to put callaloo, but you can just stuff it with some seasoning if you don't have callaloo. Nice snapper. And my mouth is watering and I'm gonna taste piece. Take out a little piece and taste it. Should be well seasoned. Yeah. Okay. Looking forward to having my dinner tonight. And all I'm gonna serve it with is some broccoli. Just some broccoli, some steamed broccoli. Over there in the pot. Okay? I'm gonna eat it with steamed broccoli and 2 slices of tomatoes. No rice and no potatoes or anything. I wanna eat a little healthier this year. So I'm trying to start the year off right. Okay, so I'm gonna try to give you guys at least 1 video per week. I moved this year, and the later part of the year took up a lot of my time with moving and doing other things. So now I'm gonna start my videos again. All right, and you'll see me more often. And tell me any video you want me to make. All right. I have a salad video I'm going to show you soon, among other things. All right.